And let me tell you, mentorship is very important factor in your JEE Advanced preparation, because the right mentorship can really increase your potential to your maxima and you can get the best out of what is your caliber. Hi, I am Shivam Kumar Singh and I am a student of FIITJEE's 3-year classroom program at FIITJEE's Mumbai Center. I have qualified JEE Advanced with a rank of and I have also qualified JEE Mains 2021 with a rank of 860. Some of my other achievements are I qualified KVPY in the Essex stream with a rank of 797. I am also an NTSC scholar and I got a gold medal in Homi Bhabha Young Scientist examination in 9th standard. The biggest challenge in my JEE preparation when I initially started out was physics. I was unable to visualize the concepts that were being taught in physics, and that prevented me from solving tough questions which were required for cracking JEE Advanced. My friends could easily solve such type of questions and initially I felt left out due to my weakness in physics. So I decided that I should go with the fundamental concepts of physics and read the books which started out from the very fundamental and then improve my concepts, and finally today I have secured the highest marks in JEE Advanced in physics only. Another challenge that I had during my preparation was smartphone addiction. Towards the end of my 11th standard, the coronavirus pandemic hit the country and all the coaching classes had to shift in the online mode. Even I shifted in the online mode. The online mode has obviously a lot of advantages. The traveling hours are reduced, you get more time to self-study. But with that comes the major disadvantage in the JEE preparation, and that are distractions. I was distracted and I watched a lot of time watching movies in between the classes also, and I thought that really hampered my preparation in the 12th standard. And due to this hampering, I got a few very bad results in tests, and this gave me a kick that I should I should reduce my hours of smartphones, and instead of getting distracted in the classes, I should focus on the concepts and work towards improving my results in the tests. According to me, the most important ingredient in JEE Advanced preparation is your exam temperament. No matter how much thorough you are with the theory or how much you have done the practice, the final rank in JEE Advanced is decided by your exam temperament. It is because JEE Advanced always surprises. You never know what you are going to get in the paper. So only your exam temperament and the right strategy for the right kind of paper that the JEE has asked will help you get a very decent rank. And let me tell you, exam temperament can only be built by giving more and more tests. Here FIITJEE's role is very significant. The fortnightly test conducted by FIITJEE and the analysis given by tests helped me shape my best strategy for the JEE Advanced. Also, in the end, the AITS were conducted. The AITS of FIITJEE are really a good test series, and some of them are even at a higher level of the JEE Advanced. This helps you to realize that if you give tougher tests than JEE Advanced, then you realize that JEE Advanced the actual level of JEE Advanced. So when the final JEE paper comes, no matter how has the JEE paper come, you will always design or you will always have a very perfect strategy for that given JEE paper. And this thing, I think that this is the most helpful thing about giving more and more tests. And the AITS of FIITJEE is the perfect test series that you should solve before going for the real JEE Advanced. FIITJEE was an integral part of my JEE preparation. The right mentorship that was provided to me by the FIITJEE gurus helped me properly utilize my potential. And let me tell you, mentorship is very important factor in your JEE Advanced preparation, because the right mentorship can really increase your potential to your maxima and you can get the best out of what is your caliber. And the analysis by FIITJEE. Also, one thing I want to tell, that test analysis is 10 times more important than the tests. The analysis provided by FIITJEE, especially the concept Kundli, helped me pinpoint my weak areas and the weak concepts to the point that I did not even have a single weak concept in the final day of my JEE Advanced preparation. So test analysis system, and in fact the whole test system by FIITJEE and the mentorship of the gurus. The mentorship of the gurus in FIITJEE was perfect, and I would recommend it to anyone who wants to study for JEE. I am grateful to my parents, teachers, my friends, and last but not the least, the systems at FIITJEE, which has helped me ace through the JEE Advanced examination 2021.